Got me a box of 2009 Upper Deck SP threads. Got a really good deal on it. Now we're going to bust it. Good luck to me. Before I do, a couple of items to go over real quick. Back here, mystery packs. Still got 10 of the baseball packs, 30 bucks. I got 4 of the football packs left, 30 bucks. And I've got 5 of the Favre packs left with the Favre insert card, guaranteed $30 or $40 book value left on these, 40 bucks. Let me know, I can bust them anytime. Appreciate the help. Also, check out over here. Wait, did that wrong. Over here. My brother, also called K-16, now has a channel up on YouTube. His link is in the information box. You want to see a guy that has sicker patch cards than me? Go check out his videos. Give him a sub. Help him out. Make him earn the rest, damn it. Alright, here we go. Let's bust these SP threads. See what we get. I haven't done my own personal box break forever. And I mean forever! Base. Rookie of Fanuki Tupou. This is going to end up being a long video, so I'm going to have to kind of get through this as quick as possible. Patrick Willis die cut. First hit is number to 299, Jeremy Maclin dual jersey acetate card. Yeah, that's cool. We got another hit. Cornelius Ingram is the rookie, and it is a nice collation. A triple jersey Jeremy Maclin acetate card. Back-to-back packs. Dual, triple. Weird. Now this pack feels incredibly thin. Feels incredibly thin, that's what she said. Nothing. Letterman behind a Jeremy Maclin die cut. What is this, the Maclin pack? That's weird. So we've got a... I guess I don't even know who this is. Jarrett Dillard. Number 3 of 18. If I had my pick, that would not have been the Letterman that I would have gone for. There's the auto. Nice looking autograph. Silver, centered nicely. Yeah, that's definitely up for sale or for trade. I call that a shanking. This is why I don't do my own box break, because I never ever, and I mean ever, get anything good. Do I, Mini Boob?
No, he doesn't.
I always take a shanking. You know the kind of shanking where they stick the blade into you and then they break the handle off?
I never, yes.
And another Eagles card. Eagles box, apparently. Interesting. Base. Rookie watch, Aaron Brown, and we've got a quad. Yeah, not the greatest box. So we got Vince Young, Lima Swede, Aaron Ross, and Jamal Charles. Wow. The fearsome foursome. That's like almost the that's almost the all disappointment quad. Number to 25. Nice low number. Alright. Whatever. That's cool. Got a Matt Ryan die cut. I actually do not have that card, so yay! Something good out of that box. What's up, neighbor? What do you have to say?
What's next for the Macklin? A quad?
Yeah, I don't think they make a quad, big guy. And here's an autograph. Man, what a horse crap box. Darius Walker, and that is the scribble auto. It almost looks like he's trying to draw the head of the Bronco. Look at the head of the Bronco. Okay, picture that in your mind. Now look at his autograph. Hey Darius, will you try and draw the logo for the Broncos, please? Yeah, man, sure, here you go. Oh, by the way, that's my auto. Weak. Okay, well, got a great deal on this box on eBay. I got it for 69 bucks, cheapest I've ever seen anywhere. Oh, there's a second Letterman. Hopefully this is redemption. LaRon McClain, and the second Letterman is Rhett Bomar. Wah, 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 wah. I think he's cut. I think he got cut. Again, another beautiful autograph, but that's for sale or trade. Which means there'll be nothing left in these last packs, because there is no such thing as a hot box with this stuff. I mean, you can get the 2 Letterman, which happens from time to time. Lardarius Webb, rookie. Oh my God, this pack feels. Look at that. That card's. Is there one card in here? It's because they just put all base with no decoy. Awesome. Weak. Future Watch, Scott McKillop. Well, actually, I'm going to take it back. This probably is a hot box. I got yet another hit. Patrick Turner for the Dolphins, numbered to 199. And quickly, while we're on that note, got this in the mail. Check this out. Speaking of Patrick Turner. Take that out of the holder. Running on time here. Of course, there's freaking tape on it, so I can rip that off. From the finest set, check out that patch. That is awesome, and his autograph. So, Patrick Turner. And our last pack, as we push the maximum recording density. So I guess pretty good. I got what appears to be a hot box. I got more hits than are promised. But they all suck. So, that's what I get for buying a Psycho box. Salute!